Hi everyone, this is Tanvi from Flutter with Flair, and this is our long overdue second part of the lash tile hack. And today I'm going to show you guys how to prevent the lash strip residue on those precious tiles. In our first part of the lash tile hack, we showed you how to clean those tiles. But in this video, I want to show you guys how to completely prevent the residue being left behind by using a silicone lash tile. Now, some of you prefer to use the foil back lash strip. So these are essentially like an aluminum backing that's placed on the strip, so it prevents any residue from being left behind when you peel it off. But in my personal experience, those types of strips can be so sticky on the tile when it's been sitting for a long period of time that it's really hard to peel, and it can still leave behind that residue on those tiles. So today, let's go through how to use the silicone tile to completely prevent this. Our silicone lash tile essentially comes in a packet like this, and it's sealed on both sides. So there's plastic on each side because it's actually quite sticky. So you can just peel off one of the sides and just use a tile and place it on top. What you can then do is use the curls and ends that you want to use on a client and just place it on top of the tile. So I've gone ahead and done that for this one. And I'm just going to show you how to peel it off. So you can see it easily peels off without leaving behind any residue. What's great about this is that you can use regular soap and water to just clean off the tile, and it's actually going to preserve the stickiness. Some of the other ways to use a silicone lash tile, which is in my personal recommendation, is to place the tile directly on a client's forehead or on the back of your hand. You can just place the extensions directly on the tile and it's not going to move, and you can just work off of that. Of course, whatever method that you're using, please make sure you're cleaning and disinfecting all of your tools between each client. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below, DM us, or shoot us an email, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, everyone.